So here on our last day in Antalya, हम निकल पड़े हैं to explore the city. Antalya is filled with a lot of natural beauty. So we started our exploration from the most beautiful Duden Waterfalls. Kursunlu Waterfall theme park was our next spot. यहाँ आप नेचर को महसूस करते हैं बल्कि just be right next to it. In this theme park you can enjoy different activities like camel or horse ride. And you can spend some lovely moments with the people of Turkey. Having some great time in waterfalls and theme parks, we thought to have a beautiful sunset view at Lara Beach. And finally we went to the Mall of Antalya to do some shopping.